Sayonara. Ay, sorry. Goodbye pala. Goodbye pala. Sorry So, I'm so happy today because it is our 5th episode of my small YouTuber Christian series. Hope you are still enjoying this series and not only enjoy, you are also learning from this series. So today, the episode is entitled How to Edit Videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how I edit my videos. I have a pre-recorded tutorial for you. Please stay tuned in until the end of this video. And if there's anything you would like me to help you, please leave a comment below. Just tell me. I'll be glad to assist you. Okay? JAM-STER here. I perspire to inspire, not to expire.
Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for notification.
Right now, I will edit the videos that I filmed kanina for my 3rd episode of my small YouTuber Christian series entitled Am I Called for This? Embracing My Calling. Makikita nyo dyan yung screen ko. So the app that I am using to edit videos is Video Guru. So may icon dyan, yung black tsaka orange, yung makikita nyo yung yung camera, and then the name Video Maker. So why Video Guru? Because I haven't tried ibang apps and ito na yung nakasanayan ko and it's so easy to use. I only use the free features and it's up to you if you want na mag-subscribe sa premium nila. As for me, wala pa akong budget dyan. So, heto na lang muna. Okay? Let's go na. Let's go sa app natin. Okay? So, sa ilalim, mga drafts yan, makikita mo yung mga previous na ginawa kong video. So, nasi-save yan sa drafts. And then, let's go to the new project. Okay, these are the videos that I take kanina. So, ang dami, no? Kasi magkailang ulit ako nag-take dahil sometimes hindi ako satisfied sa first take, inuulit ko. And then, pagpipilian ko lang kung anong videos na yung gagamitin ko. Okay. So, at this moment, 20 videos lang yung pwedeng i-add natin. Above this, hindi na. But after you select and then add this, doon mismo sa loob, pakikita ko na lang sa inyo. Okay, for example, we have 20 videos, no, na i-select ngayon. 18, 19, 20, okay. Just click the direction. Ayan. Dahil mag-exit ka 20, hindi mo ma-add. So, pero dito, pwede kang mag-add pa another. Okay, tandaan mo lang kung saan ka nag-stop na video. Okay. Let's go sa end kung saan tayo nag-stop. And then, makikita niyo yung plus sign. Click this one. And then, whatever videos na i-left mo. So, kanina hindi ko na natandaan. Try na lang natin. For example, isang video lang yung i-add natin. Okay. Let's just add the last one. Okay, here. Sample. So, nag-add na yon. Then, if you want to delete a video, for example, ito, makikita yung anak ko dito. Ayan. You just select the video and then may mapapop up na mga icons. The trim, speed, volume, split, delete, crop, copy, rotate, sort. So, just delete it. Okay, delete ito. Ayan, wala na yung video na gusto mong i-delete. And then, if you want to sort, like you want this, for example, this video, you want it na sa unahan mo ilalagay. So, just click the video. Actually, it's a long press, no? And then, dito, i-drag mo lang siya para mag-swap sa ibang videos. Ayan, makikita mo siya kung saan mo ilalagay. Okay? And then, just click the check. Okay? Yung mga basic lang na ginagawa ko, yun yung, iti-teach ko, yung tinuturo ko sa inyo ngayon. And then, about the crop, gusto mong ma-crop, for example, meron ka dito na
gusto mo hindi makita. Like dito yung sa background ko, no? Click the video. And then, sa gilid ng delete, crop. Ayan, crop mo na. Ayan, dito lang siya. Ayan. Then, check. So, na-crop na siya. Tapos, I want to teach you also the difference ng cut, trim, at saka split. Okay. Okay, doon naman tayo sa unahan, no? Sa unang video. The cut, trim, and split. Okay, for example, this is the one na gusto mong you want to trim, cut, or ano no, or split. Okay, just click this this video. Ayan, na-click ko na. Punta ka sa may baba, yung gunting na sign. Just click the trim. Yung trim actually, yung ending, beginning at ending yung ayan, if you want na ito lang yung video na gustong pakita, yung unang so mga galaw mo yung sa una hindi na yun makikita. And at saka yung sa ending. Okay, gusto mo ito lang yung makikita. So yan yung trim. The cut is at the middle. So hindi mo na yan ma-delete yung yung sa beginning at saka ending niya. So at the middle part kung saan mo gusto na i-cut, kunin yung part na yon. So yun yung lalabas. Ito lang from the here to here and then papunta dito. Yan lang yung lalabas. Okay, the split naman is saan mo gusto hatiin. For example, dito sa 4 seconds, yan. Hahati yan. For example, it will start here sa 4 seconds, 4.2. So this would be another video from here to here, another video, and then another video dito. Okay. Okay, for example, split natin ito. Ayan. Check. Yan. Nag-split na siya. Ayan. Nahati na sila dalawa. Okay, the next one that I'm going to teach you is, for example, you want the, itong first video, pwede mong i-move yung kung saan yung mag-uumpisa. Ayan. Yung clip, the start of the clip, and then the end of the clip. Pwede mong ma-adjust. Okay, gets? And then the transition, nakikita mo yung yung linya, yung naka-slash, tsaka small box. Ayan, i-click mo to. Dito, you can choose transitions. For example, here, gusto mo na fade lang siya. And then, how many seconds siya mag-fade? Yan. Fade white. Okay, fade siya in white. If you want to move. Usually, sa first ko na first videos ko, ito yung ginagamit ko, VHS. Kasi ang ganda ng effect. Ayan. Ganda, no? Like, sa akin, usually, yung mabilisan lang na yung transition ko. Like, 5 seconds. Yan. Okay? Click mo. Ayan. Lalabas. Ito yung kinalabasan niya. If you want to play it, ito na yun. Yan. Okay? That's about the transition. And the effects of video, let's choose a video. If you want to have an effect sa video, okay, wait muna. If you want to have an effect sa video, ito choose natin. Ito, no, we're not going to choose, but let's put it kung saan tayo. Okay. Let's not choose the video, no? But let's put lang yung kita mong red line. Just put it there wherever you want. And then you can see at the lower part, merong BG, may music, text, sticker, trim, effect. For example, effect dito. Yan. Dito maumpisa if you want it na parang glitch or shadow. For example, glitch muna. I will press it, pero long press to. Ayan, glitch, yung effect niya. If you want it na shadow naman dito sa part na to, ayan, shadow. Long press ulit. Yan, ganda no? If you want to undo, eto, click lang yung pabalik na sign. Ayan. Okay? Okay? Ayan, makikita mo na gumawa ka ng effect sa ditong part. About the music and sound effects, take note, choose a music na hindi ka ma-copyright sa sa YouTube. So akin, I choose the music here at the lower, no? Just click the music, tapos sounds. Sa akin, yun makikita may mga may mga choices tayo dito, whether vocal, love, hopeful, dynamic, romantic, marami kang pagpipilian. Pero sa akin, para play safe na hindi siya mag-copyright kasi meron akong video na copyright siya, so sayang. So what I do, yung ano, yung sa Video Guru mismo, ayan, makikita mo dito. Ayan, Video Guru, 15 tracks. So, click mo dito. Ayan, dito ako pumipili ng ano, ng music. Not that, ano no, yung gusto mong music na maganda talaga, but it's a simple na mga music for vlogs. Meron din dito na mabilisan, merong ano, slow din na music dito. So, usually happy theme ako, tsaka a little trip. Okay? Example, happy theme. So, click the happy theme and then use. Ayan. Ayan. Magpi-play na yan from here until kung saan siya, ayan, mag-stop. If you want to change, for example, dito mo gustong pumunta, dito mag-start yung music, then just drag it here. Okay? The sound effects, for example, I use sound effects especially if may humor, no, na gusto mong kumbaga ma-emphasize yung humor. I put some laughters na sound effects or uh, cartoon effects, ganyan, sound effects. Okay, punta tayo dito sa effects sa baba. Yan, marami kanyan papipilian. So, for example, lagay natin laughter. Ayan, magpipili ka na ng laughter na gusto mo. Yung nagustuhan ko itong baby laughter kasi parang tatawa ka din. At saka yung cartoon laughter. Okay, I'll choose this one and then use. Then, from here dito bali mag-uumpisa yung cartoon laughter until here. Okay? You can change the volume. Click mo lang yung yung effects. Okay, kita mo dyan sa ilalim, volume. Ayan. So the sound effects na volume is here sa baba. Ito, yung video volume mo at the time na nag-record ka or nag-film ka kanina. Ito yun. So gusto mo na mahina lang yung boses mo, so change mo, for example, 15. Ayan. Na if you want the sound effects na mas louder, ito. Ayan. Okay? Good. Good tayo. Next. Next is you can also record. Aside from music, tsaka sound effects, pwede kang mag-record dito mismo. Okay? Ayan. Click mo lang either sounds, effects, ito, yung record. Just click it here. I will not do this because I am recording right now. I am using the screen recording. So, hindi ko na pagpakita sa inyo. But you just click the record one if you want. And then, adding text. How to add text? For example, you want to add here the title ng text ng vlog. Okay. Here, makikita mo. Again, sa main na menu, text. Ayan. For example, am I cold for this? And then, you can choose a font. Ito. Yung yung problema dito sa Video Guru, konti lang yung pwede mong gamitin na fonts. Yung usual ko na ginagamit is this one, the permanent marker. I just don't know, nagandahan na ako. Okay? Bahala kayo. Okay? And then, if you want a different color, if you want black yung text, and then, you can also choose the opacity. How do you pronounce it? Opacity or opacity? Ayan, pwede mo yan, may change. Pero sa akin, I use the 100%. And then the label, ito yung commonly ko ginagamit eh. Label yan. Tsaka i-change ko yung opacity. Wow, opacity. Ayan, to this. I'll just change the color of the font. Ayan. Teka lang. Ayan. And then if you want na may border, pwede din. Ayan, black. Ito, shadow. So usually, normally, hindi ako naglalagay ng shadow. Okay? Kung satisfied na ikaw sa text mo, then just click the check. Kung gusto mong mag-edit ulit, eto, makikita mo yung pencil. Ayan. Okay? If you want to copy, yan. Ayan. If you want to delete, if you want to resize, yan. Okay? If you want to move, ayan. Pag ganito, or you want it pa horizontal lang, you can do that. Okay? Okay, so the text will come in here, from here to here. So you can choose if gusto mong mahaba pa siya na gusto mong makita. Ayan, just drag it. Okay. So what's more, I think I already, I already talk about some basics, no? Parang okay na tayo. Sa filtering, you can choose here. And the speed of the, of the video. About the filter, just click the video. No, I'm sorry. Just put wherever you want yung red line. Kung saan mo gusto na may filter, yan. Adjust mo. If you want it natural, warm, ayan. Okay, depende sa'yo kung ano gusto mo. And then, yun, just click. Yan, yung kinalabasan niya. If you want it faster, yung speed, ayun, mabilis yan. Especially if, merong humor sa video ko, mabilis na yung 2 times yung ginagamit ko. Or either, yung mag-emphasize ako na slower, ito, yung pinakamahina, pinaka-slow, 0.5%. Okay? Yan, kita mo. So, kung okay ka na mabilis, just check it. Parang okay na tayo, no? I already gave you some basics. Okay? Again, check mo yung videos mo if meron ka na miss out. And then, if meron, okay, you can still edit it. If na-finalize mo na at sa huli nakita mo na, uy, may mali pala sa font mo, may typo error. What's good sa Video Guru is that nasa-save siya sa draft, so you can go back there and then edit. In saving, actually, you just click here the upward sign. Okay? And then you can choose the quality. There's 320 pixels, 480, 640, 720, 1080 to 160. So whatever is recommended dito, yun yung ginagamit ko. That's what I choose. And I just make it sa quality niya high. If for example, yung recommended dito, na i-recommend ni Video Guru na 1080p yung nailagay. So, kung masyadong mataas yung MB niya, I lowered it sa kaya ng phone capacity. Especially kasi pag nag-upload ka na mataas MB mo, medyo matagal yung uploading sa YouTube. Especially na mahina yung net. Kasi dito sa amin mahina yung net namin, so I choose lower than 1080. Basta I can choose either high sa 640 pixels or medium, basta hindi lang masyadong mababa yung quality. Okay, for example, no, kasi recommended din naman 320p, kasi konti lang yung natin, yung nai-edit natin na video. So let's just, for example, high. So save it. Just click the save, and then after, yan, initializing. Okay, may add pa yan, no? May add pa na makikita mo dyan. So just X. Yan, converting na yung video. Okay? I think that's it. Just wait for it na mag 100% and then masisave naman yun sa my drafts. Okay, good. Parang okay naman yung na i-discuss naman natin lahat. So that's it. So hopefully, meron kayong nakuha ngayong vlog ko.
Okay? Hope that helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.